Hello there. My name is Matthew Krebs. Matt, you can call me if we are communicating through email, hopefully. But this is a remote asynchronous CSS CMT 125 class that you're all in. Um, I posted on the Moodle website a syllabus which is subject to change. I mean, I might make edits throughout the term as needed, but it will be posted. It will always be posted there. So if I have to make a change, I'll just let you know that I made a change to the syllabus. But here it is. Again, it's on Moodle for you to see. For this coming week, uh, I have four videos that I'd like you to watch. Um, Two of or three of them have to do with setting things up for this semester, and then there's a fourth one which is a quick assignment that is based on a video with that has to do with setting up styles for HTML sheets that you make. So I'll just walk you through the videos. I'll show you what they are, and I'll also in the bottom of this, in the description of this YouTube video, I will show you the links. I'll post the links for you to see, so that you can just grab onto each of those videos. Now, the videos, watching the particular videos, I just want to be clear. If you happen to if you want to find another video that um, sort of is similar, or you want to supplement, you see the video, you say, well, maybe I'd like to see another video, you can just type into YouTube that topic, and then to get some more information on it. So I don't want you to think that you're have to be confined to what I gave you. I mean, that there's the internet is full um, of videos that can teach you how to do stuff. So I'll just show you what these videos are that I selected. The first one is all about VS Code. Okay, VS Code is the logo for VS Code is right here. I'm going to open up my VS Code just so you can see what it looks like. This is I really believe that VS Code is the best in terms of a to be able to edit HTML and CSS. It's color coded and stuff. So it's something that I think you should have downloaded, and I want you to have downloaded for this course. That's the first video. It's a video that I selected. That down here is what is called Video Studio Code Tutorial for Beginners Introduction. That's the first thing I want you to watch, and then I want you to set up VS Code on your computer. The next video I have is called GitHub Tutorial 2020 Beginner's Training Guide. So I also want you to set up a GitHub account if you don't already have one. But GitHub is the idea for GitHub is like it's like the Google Drive for all your all the things that you're going to make. Okay, so that's going to be in the end, when you send me an assignment, you're going to give me the link to the GitHub page, and I'm going to be able to see your code. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is going to that's where you're going to access things uh, locally on your computer. But GitHub, this video is going to teach you where to sort of post them in for other people to see. It's sort of like a open source for the world to see your work. Okay, you could make it private if you wanted to, but I believe that's paid. Most people don't do that. The next video that I want you to see is down the title of it is right here: using Git with VS Code and GitHub. Now, I just want you to feel comfortable. Being able to make something on VS Code and then sending it up to GitHub. Sometimes you can do the opposite, where you create the folder first on GitHub and then bring it down into VS Code. That's typically what I do, but you can do it either way. So I want you to be comfortable with saving from VS Code to GitHub. There are commands like you have to git add /a. You have to git commit, and then /m, and then you have a a message in quotes, and then the last one is uh, get push origin master. Those are the three basic commits every time that you want to send code up. You want to save it to your GitHub account. So as you're working on VS Code, you want to save things. And again, those three are the so be looking for that git commit, and then git push origin master. Those are the three basic commits you need to do every time you want to save stuff to the git folder. Okay. The last thing, this is sort of going to help you with the assignment, because there's an assignment besides setting things up. This is an assignment that I want you to be comfortable with for this class. And here's the deal. They give you three ways to style inline style, internal style, and external style. I want you to get on VS Code. I want you to create an three HTML sheets, and all I want you to do is make style the body of each of them a different color. But for each of those three HTML sheets, I want you to do it in a different way. Okay, I want you to do one of them. I want to see inline styling. For another one, I want to see internal style, and for the last one, I want to see external style. Okay, so take a look at how that is. I mean, for the external style, you're going to need another file within the folder. Maybe call it styles or something like that, but you put the CSS style inside the folder, and all you're going to do is just style the body of the HTML. One should be one color, another should be a second color, and another should be a third color. So maybe even to start off, call it like if you're naming the HTML page, just name it like blue.html. Okay, and then you would have, obviously, the whole body would be blue. Okay, you would make the background color, so you'd style background color, and then you'd say that you want the background color of that page to be blue. Okay, and then you do another one, maybe you say green or whatever. It doesn't have to be blue or green, just I want background colors styled for each of the sheets. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. And again, inline style, internal style, external style, three of them. Now, if you want to challenge yourself more, I'd like you to try two external styles. Okay, so four ways of styling thing. You would make one more HTML, and on this one, try to make a folder inside of another folder and put a different CSS file inside that, and see if you can connect that to an HTML. It gets more complicated when you have different folders, so that's a challenge for you if you're up for the challenge. Okay, so that is what I'm hoping that you'll do for this week, and I will post it. The links I'll put in the bottom of this YouTube video, and I think that's it. You can always contact me for any questions, and I hope you have a productive week.